Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the list of projects in different domains, and this is our 15th video. So let's continue with the point number 227, Library Management System. So just click on that particular title. In this blog, we will show you the project called Library Management System using Python, and is used for the graphical user interface. This software will manage whole library and it will kept record in this software. You just have to enter the student details like member type, reference number, name, surname, address, contact number. It will keep stored student data in database. Simultaneously, it user can store book detail like book ID, title, author, borrowed, date, due date, etc. So the book details stored with the student details, so it can easily store that which student purchased book. So this will be the complete UI where you can see like it will show the library membership info. User have to enter all those details and it will store data in database, and we are using the MySQL database, and user can save the data, display data, reset the entries, update the data, search from any database, and delete that particular data. Let's scroll down. This is the software hardware requirement, and contact us for more queries. Like if you have doubt related to any of the project, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description. Like we already added the WhatsApp and calling number, website and Instagram account. And check out related projects in different domains like the deep learning projects. So just click on the click here button. It will open the list of project. So total 152 project list is there. Okay, we are also developing on-demand projects. So let's go back. Now the point number 228, lip reader. So in that project, it will identify or recognize the lip movement, like lip movement reading to text using AI. This project work on the real-time laptop webcam and detect the motion of person, mouth, and identify that person is talking or not. Okay, let's play this YouTube video. I can see we're showing not talking, and this will be the software hardware requirement, and contact us for more queries and check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 229, littering detection, trash throwing from car. So just click on it. The real-time object detection to address the issue of littering from moving vehicles. It will identifying the waste disposal instances, focusing on sophisticated image processing technique for accurate license plate details capture through the integration of the technology. The review discusses how the system detect and documents littering, facilitating the imposition of fines on registered vehicle. Like we need to store the number plate by linking any contact number and some amount message needed to send that register number. Mm. Similar to the imposing fine of for riding without helmet in place of waste here. Okay, so what you have to do, we have to give the input video to that model, and will identify that the person throwing garbage from that car window. Okay, so it will identify and recognize the number from the license plate. It will identify the car and recognize the number plate, and the tracker ID will be one. Let's fast forward. See the person throwing any trash from car, and it will detect it. Like they throw that particular trash from car, and it will recognize the number. Okay, and this will be the software and hardware requirement, and contact us for more queries and check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 230, logo recognition. So the online fake logo detection using image processing. In this block, it will detect the logo, same as object detection, and recognize that logo belong to which company. User have to upload that particular logo, and it will identify that Ford, Mazda, Volkswagen, Honda, Ferrari. Like that, it will identify. This will be the software hardware requirement, and contact us for more queries and check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 232, lung cancer detection using CT scan images. Let's click on it. So the lung cancer project utilizes the neural network to analyze the medical imaging data for the early identification of lung cancer. By processing the CT scan or X-ray, the system assists healthcare professional in detecting the abnormalities and potential cancerous nodules. The neural network enhances the diagnostic accuracy, enabling timely intervention and improving the patient outcomes. This application stands at the forefront of medical advancement, providing a valuable tool for early cancer detection. Like you have to upload an input image to that model and it will identify the cancer. Okay, so this will be the complete YouTube video, and these are the software and hardware requirement. Contact us for more queries and check out later projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 223, lung cancer prediction system. So in that project, the lung cancer using machine learning, this ML model will predict the lung cancer diseases based on the input image of lung CT scan image. User can upload image from dataset and it will divide it or trained on three classes: benign, malignant, and normal. According to the user input, it predicts the disease of lung cancer. It can be used for the creating the graphical user interface. Like first, they have to upload image to ML model and it will predict the diseases. Image dataset is downloaded from Kaggle and ML model is trained on large dataset of image and model indicated with the web interface for user input. This will be the YouTube video. Okay, so user have to give the input image to that model. Let's select any image from dataset and just click on the predict output button. Then it will predict like normal and severity no risk. These are the software and hardware requirement. Contact us for more queries and check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 235, lung cancer predictor. So let's click on it. In this blog, we will show you the project lung cancer prediction using machine learning. User have to give input values to model and it will predict that person have lung cancer or not. The machine learning model will predict the output. Model will provide the result with two algorithm, SPC result, KNN result. Like both the algorithm will predict disease according to the user input. User have to give inputs to machine learning model and it will give output according to the user input like gender, smoking, yellow fingers, anxiety, peer pressure, chronic disease, fatigue, allergy, wheezing, alcohol consuming, coughing, etc. From those input model will predict the output that person suffering from lung cancer or not. This project developed using Python programming language and taken to use for the graphical user interface. So user have to enter all those value. According to that, it will predict the lung cancer. These are the software and hardware requirement. Like we are using the website based framework, Django. Okay, these are the hardware requirement and contact us for more queries and check out related projects in different domains. Let's go back. Now the point number 236, machine learning pipeline. So this will be the YouTube video. Let's click on that particular video. So this first you have to log in with the details. Okay, then you have to select the dataset cleaning. You have to select all those things. Okay, like missing value imputation, outlier detection, noise removal, data transformation, picture extraction. After that, click on the next button. This will be the dataset. It will give the output like that. NMF scatter plot. These are the hardware and software requirement. Contact us for more queries and check out later projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 237, malware detection system. Let's click on it. The machine learning is a well-established field of computer science domain, shown great promise for detecting the malware because the model they can recognize complex data pattern and learn from large data set. Machine learning algorithms are ideal for detecting the malware. This will be the YouTube video, and these are the software and hardware requirement. And check out later projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 238, Maszid App. Will likely open the YouTube video where you
Hey,
can
hi.
check the complete working of project
Sorry.
like social platform, Hadiyat, Namaz timing, Hadidat, Quran voice, and logout. Mhm. Okay, now the point number 239, MCQ generate from PDF. The MCQ generated from PDF using Python. This project will generate the multiple choice question from PDF. From Python script, user have to give input as PDF model will process and generate the MCQ questions with their answers. This will be the YouTube video. user have to upload any PDF, sample PDF. Then it will generate the MCQ and with their answers. Okay, these are the hardware and software requirement and check out related projects. Let's go back. Another point number 240, medical diagnosis and management system. The hospital management system developed using Python programming language and Decanter used for the graphical user interface. SQLite 3 database is used for storing the data. And in this project, user have to first log in with the credential like username and password. Then these are the features like homepage, patient registration, staff registration, book appointment, my appointment, and add doctor. So first user have to log in with the details like username and password. If they want to click exit button, then they can exit. So these are the all the menu options. You can check the project working video, staff registration, add doctor, book appointment, my appointment. Okay, these are the software hardware requirement and contact us for more queries and check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 241, medical store management app. So user can contact directly to shop owner. There is option to check requested or pending medicine and all history will show in list of delivered order, and we can rate the shop and it will show the complete details like item name, size, quantity, price and total cost. Suppose if customer want to purchase any medicine, then they have to select the particular medicine and go to purchase section. Then it will automatically make the bill, and after checkout user can enter shipping address and it will send request to shopkeeper. One more user like admin where it can able to update the delivered status or cancel the order, and in the admin section user can add the medicine in list and view that particular list. Okay, this will be the YouTube video. Like if you click on the play button, it will play the video. Drug detective. It will show all the drugs with their price and the size. If they want to purchase, then click on the purchase button or they can call. Request a medicine and the all history. These are the pending orders. Okay, these are the hardware and software requirement. Contact us for more queries and check out later projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 242, medical waste management system. The medical waste management system using Python with website Django framework. If user have to use that system, then they have to first create the account and log in with the same credential which they registered. It will open the dashboard and show the graph of garbage collected country wise. If user want to explore data of any country, then it will generate the graph according to the state wise and draw graph for year wise. It will generate the data of total garbage collected in years and tons of garbage. User can also add the waste data and they have to select the country, state and city. So this will be the YouTube video. So garbage collection country wise. It will show the graph. It will show the bar graph. They can add the waste country wise, select the state and select city. Like that it will generate the graph like garbage collected in country like in India. And these are the hardware and software requirement. Contact us for more queries and check out related projects. So let's go back. Now the point number 243, medicine scanner app. So the medicine scanner using image processing. In this project, user have to do registration with the details like username, email, password, and mobile number, etc. And then log in with the username and password. If they enter correct credential, then user will enter into app. Once successfully log in, user will directly go into the home page. And in the home page, there will be multiple options like scan medicine, scan image, add medical record, all medicine, and search medicine. So these are the all the options. And this will be the YouTube video. If you want to play the video, just click on the play button. And these are the software and hardware requirement. Contact us for more queries and check out related projects in different domains. Let's go back. Now the point number 244, MEDIX, multiple disease prediction system. Let's click on it. So in this blog, we will show you the project name, multiple disease prediction using machine learning. In this project, it works on multiple disease and give prediction of any particular disease. User have to enter inputs, and according to the input values, model will predict the disease. So this machine learning model will work on multiple disease. Here is the list of disease prediction like heart analysis, diabetes analysis, breast cancer analysis, other related pages in this project like contact doctor, about us and logout. So this will be the YouTube video. If you click on the play button, it will play the video and they can log in with the details like username and password. After that, it will show the heart analysis, like you have to enter the details. It will analyze the heart, contact doctor, breast cancer analysis, diabetes analysis. And these are the software and hardware requirement. Contact us for more queries. Let's go back. Now the point number 245, mental health chatbot website. A mental health chatbot, also known as physiotherapist or counselor, is a trained professional who provides support and guidance to individuals experiencing emotional or psychological difficulties. Through various therapeutic techniques and intervention, they help clients explore their feelings, thought, and behavior to gain insight into their challenges and develop coping strategies. The mental therapist create a safe and confidence environment for client to address such issues such as anxiety, depression, trauma, or relationship problem. Their goal is to promote the mental well-being, personal growth, and empower clients to lead fulfilling lives. So this will the YouTube video. It is based on the website interface. Okay, whenever you run the project, it will open the web page where user can ask the questions and chatbot will reply. Like I have asked the hello, how can I help you? What is mental health? Then it will give the complete reply. I feel depressed. So it will give that particular reply according to the question asked. I'm stressed. Okay, it will reply accordingly. So these are the hardware and software requirement. And contact us for more queries and check out related projects. Like if you want to explore that much image processing projects, so just click on the click here button. It will open the list of projects. So let's end this project video here and we'll again continue with the next session. If you have doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're searching under project ideas, then you can also visit our website or you can contact us on WhatsApp. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with the friend. Thank you.